Hello everyone, today we are going to be making a poster that shows visual representation and cues for classroom rules for students with disabilities. Examples, this one, I wish it had more color, and this one might need some more like visuals. We can see some good ones like this one. It has a diverse representation of students doing different things, making sure they're following directions. I wish it had a little more color though, so it would be a little more easy to pay attention and draw students' attention. I really like this one because it shows students of different cultures and it shows how they're raising their hand to speak, they're listening to others. So let's go ahead and find one that will work for us. One that is bright, that we can add our own rules to. Go ahead and make it bigger. I really like how at the very top it specifically states these are the classroom rules and these are the focuses for our kids with disabilities. So for this first one, it says share toys, which is obviously very good, but we're going to be focusing more on elementary, middle school students with disabilities and their gender. So I'm going to go ahead and delete these because that's a little below our age range. And I'm going to make this raise your hand to speak in class so that we have a visual reminder if a student speaks out that we can just point to this poster and we can say, hey, make sure you're reminding yourself of our classroom rules. So for this next one, it's also a little below our age grade. So we're going to go ahead and delete that. And we're going to say, keep your hands to yourself. Some students with disabilities may not be able to fully regulate their emotions and may have some difficulty keeping their hands to themselves. So this is another good reminder to make sure that we're staying in our own bubble. Here's raise your hand. Go ahead and put this up here for now. We'll see if we want to use a different photo. And so then we're going to do quiet voices. We want to make sure that we're using our inside voices. We're not getting too loud. Be a good friend. I really like this one, but let's go ahead and change it to be kind to others. For this one, be curious. That's a good one for our class too, but we're going to say ask permission to leave seats that we establish our expectations. Ask permission. Be imaginative is good, but we're going to say ask for help so students know that this is a safe place and that we will ask for help when we need things. And we're going to go ahead and look this up. This one, I like this one because it represents a girl with glasses. We're seeing people that we might see in our classroom and how they might ask for help visually. And this is a visual reminder and a visual cue that we can give to some students. Keep hands to yourself. I'm going to wait for that one. Quiet voices. Use this girl. And we can point to this, just telling the bunny to be quiet. Ask for help. I'm going to use this image. Ask permission to leave seat, to get up, to go sharpen a pencil, to go to the bathroom. I'm going to use this guy. For being kind to others, I'm going to use these two girls. And keeping our hands to ourselves, we're going to go look that up. Female elementary and middle school students with disabilities have been treated differently compared to their male counterparts in America over the past 25 years. Female students are disproportionately bullied, underdiagnosed, and persecuted in the classroom. Teachers and educational staff need to make sure that they make an effort to eliminate bias, advocate for girls with disabilities, ensure there is representation, and ensure their students' rights are being met. Okay, so this is our poster.